Welcome back to Shingle Mingle Monday. So the question for today is, what gutter guard do we install and why? So we actually prefer the RainDrop Gutter Guards for a lot of different reasons. First of all, these come with a 20-year warranty. Second big thing is, when these are installed, they actually have this flange here that will go up underneath the shingles, and this allows us to install them at a slope. So if this is your gutter, these gutter guards will actually be sloped, which allows all the debris to come off, but the water gets channeled down into these gaps here. So with a lot of other gutter guards, what you see happening is they may have like a hood over them where under a big, heavy rain, you'll actually see water shoot off of the gutter. So it's not really doing you any good. So these are really the best of both worlds. A lot of technology and advancement went into these, but the best part of these too is they're incredibly strong. So this is a 45-ounce mallet. So let's see what it does. Come up and take a look at that. No damage to the gutter guard, no damage to the gutter itself. Now these are made out of a plastic material. It says right here, it's actually polypropylene. So this is the same type of material that you see like used on car bumpers and in different applications like that. It makes them very strong and rigid, but they're also UV stable. So over time, the sunlight is not going to eat these up like you see in other, inferior types of plastics. So yeah, when it comes to gutter guards, we absolutely love these. The price point on these is incredibly competitive as well. So there you have it. If you have any other questions you'd like me to answer, drop them below. Other than that, see you next week.